Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use lookup fields in Zoho Desk to link related records. This feature is incredibly powerful because it allows you to connect different modules within Zoho Desk, making it easier to reference and manage related information across your support tickets. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to Zoho Desk. Once you're on the platform, go ahead and log into your Zoho account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. From here, you need to locate the Setup option, which is represented by a gear icon in the top navigation menu. Click on it to access the administrative settings where you can customize various aspects of your Zoho Desk environment. Once you're in the Setup area, look for the Customization section. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to tailor Zoho Desk to your specific workflow requirements. Under the Customization section, click on Layouts and Fields. This option will take you to the area where you can modify the structure and appearance of your ticket forms and other modules. From here, you'll see the layouts you're currently using by default. Click on the layout you want to customize to access the Layout Customization menu. For this tutorial, we'll be working with your ticket information layout. Once you're in the layout editor, look at the right side panel where you'll find various field options. Under the Add Field section, locate the Lookup field type. This is the field we'll be using to link related records. Simply drag the Lookup field from the panel and drop it onto your ticket layout screen where you want it to appear. Once you've added the Lookup field, a right side panel will appear with configuration options. Start by entering a descriptive field name that clearly indicates what this Lookup field will reference. Next, select the module you want to look up. This determines which type of records this field will connect to, such as contacts, accounts, or other custom modules. Then, set the subtab where this field should appear. You also have the option to mark this field as required, which ensures users must fill it out before saving a ticket. Additionally, you can enable a tooltip by toggling the selection, which provides helpful guidance to users when they hover over the field. Now, let's bring this new field into action. Click on your Tickets module to view your support tickets. Locate a sample ticket and click on Edit to open it for modification. Scroll down through the ticket form until you find the new lookup field you just created. You'll notice a blank field underneath it with a search icon that looks like a magnifying glass. Click on this search icon and it will display a set of data from the module you configured it to look up. This allows you to quickly select and link a related record directly to your ticket, creating a seamless connection between different pieces of information in your system. And there you have it. You've successfully configured and used lookup fields in Zoho Desk to link related records, making your ticket management more efficient and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.